What's up YouTube? Mike here with another video, and today I want to do an unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Duo. I've been waiting for this product for over a year since it was first announced last year, and finally here late in the day the UPS man has shown up, so I am going to unbox it now. Now my whole family's home, dogs barking, kids screaming, AC's running, but I don't care. I want to get into this thing. So this is not going to be probably my best video when it comes to audio, but we'll make it work. Alright. Of course, this is all the packaging crap, and there we go. So if you've been following this product, you've probably seen all the big tech reviewers who Microsoft was nice enough to send them their own Surface Duo, but this is what the actual retail packaging looks like. All the YouTubers got like the fancy one that came with the Surface earbuds and a letter from Panos, but I'm just a lowly YouTuber hobbyist, so I had to buy my own. So with that, obviously I bought this not for the channel, but because I'm excited. I love Surface devices, and I really wanted to get my hands on this to see how it is. So I want it to be good. I want this product to succeed, but since I did buy it with my own money, I'm going to be brutally honest, because obviously Microsoft did not give me this, so this is all on me. Let me get this microphone position to be honest. So like I said, this was not sent to me. I bought it with my own money, so you can guarantee that if I don't like it, I'm going to let you know. But let's get into this thing. And already, I do like the packaging. And here is the actual device. Hopefully my focus is okay. There it is. Let's set this down for a moment, and I'm going to see what is in here. Oh yeah, I forgot that this does include a Surface bumper. So I don't know if I'm going to put that on yet, because if I do put it on, I don't know if I'll be able to get the screen protectors on that I ordered. And from what I understand, once you put this on, it's kind of like a one-time use thing. So if you take it off, the adhesives are probably going to be messed up. So I guess I'll decide if I want to risk that or not. And what else we get here? We got the normal documentation stuff here, and a SIM tool. It tells you where the SIM card's at. So we'll set this guy aside. And so far, of all the reviews I've seen, they all praise the hardware, which I can see why. This is the actual charging cord, and this itself is the actual charging brick. But I went to Best Buy and I've played with this a few times. I'm just curious if this looks like the traditional Surface brick, and it does. It kind of looks like a mini Surface Go brick. So for now, I'll set that all aside, and let's get into the device. So here we go. Here's a little ASMR for you. Boom. And already I can tell you that this feels extremely premium. Let's get this thing off. Set this aside. Whew. And obviously, before I do my full review, I'm going to use this for a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. But I might pop on and do, just kind of some update videos with this device. But right off the bat, this feels so good in the hand. Like the one at Best Buy has been messed with so much that it just doesn't have the same feel. But I can tell you, definitely has a glossy display. So I did order some matte screen protectors for this, and I hope they come soon. And if I end up keeping this, I'm definitely going to put a skin on it. But this is all glass on the outside, but it just feels super nice and premium. So let's do the very first power on here. Right off the bat, I know there's going to be a day one update. There it goes. It's powering up. See if it's got some juice in it or not. There it goes. Powered by Android. Boom. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing set up and play with it. But for now, if there is anything that you want me to test on this, have any questions, shoot it in the comments below and I'll try and answer it once I do my full review. I'll take note of them. And like I said, I bought this with my own money, so I'm very passionate about this. I love Surface devices, as you can tell. I've owned Surface devices since the very first Surface Pro, and I want this to be a good device, so I'm pretty excited about it. And I'm hoping that Microsoft will continue to push updates to fix all the bugs that have been reported already. So with that, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and if you've not subscribed, I would appreciate if you do so. Thanks.